My name is Nicholas Mastrodomenico. I am 5'9", and I am located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Kentucky woman, she shines with her own kind of light. She looks at me once in a day, and that's wrong, feels alright. And I love her, God knows I love her. Kentucky woman, if she gets to know you, then she's gonna own you. Kentucky woman, well, she's not the kind that turns heads at the drop of a name. But something inside that she's got turns you on just the same. And she loves me, God knows she loves me. Kentucky woman.